We'll guide you through how to fix your Android phone not receiving calls. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, so somebody's trying to ring you and it's not coming through. First of all, if you've recently gone and changed your network or carrier, make sure your SIM card is first of all inserted and also that it's properly activated. You may need to go and sign up on their website or get in contact with them. You can go and see there at the top, I've got E, which is my network, and I can see that I've got service. That is the second thing. Make sure you have got mobile service. You can see I've only got one bar, which isn't ideal, so it's quite weak. But if you've got no service, then your phone won't be able to go and connect to the network, and so therefore you won't be able to receive calls. So you do need service for this to go and work. Now, another thing you want to make sure as well is that your phone is not on some mode or routine or do not disturb mode. So go and open up your settings like so, and what you want to do is you want to go into modes and routines and make sure these aren't turned on. For example, if sleep's turned on, you're going to have do not disturb turned on, which will go and basically stop calls coming through and notifications. As well as turning that off, we can swipe down on our phone and open up the panel and make sure do not disturb is turned off like so. Now you should be able to receive calls. Of course, make sure the person who's trying to ring you is entering your number correctly.